In this video, I will show how to draw different type of arrows in Microsoft Excel. So to draw different type of arrows, there are some way. First way, insert, then shape, select the line and draw the shape outline. You can change color and there are so many settings, like you can change the weight and here you can select. Once you click here, so you will get the more options. Another way, using the symbol, so insert then symbol, font, select normal text and here find out the arrows, this one. Now select and insert. So thanks for watching guys, and comment this video useful for you.